Hello guys and girls, today we're looking at the question, are these prisms? Oh, I'm running out of power. Make this quick then. Okay, and essentially with the question, are these prisms, you need to use a little bit of your imagination and pretend that this shape here, the one that I'm just covering in red, is a real object in 3 dimensions. Okay? And what makes a prism is that just like a loaf of bread, if you cut and 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 cut along the same line, going back and forward through the shape, you'll get a whole bunch of slices of the shape because you cut it a heap of times that are the same. Okay, and if you get slices, just like a loaf of bread, that are same, your shape's a prism. Okay, if you can't cut it in a way like that, it's not. Okay, so this one's a prism because it's a rectangular prism and it's just like a loaf of bread, only more squarey. Okay, here we've got what's called a pyramid. Now, a pyramid is not a prism. Okay, because even though when you cut it like this, up the shape, you'll get squares every time, the squares are getting smaller. So they're not the same. They're not that same after same after same with the loaf of bread. So essentially, here's a prism. So here's a yes. This is not a prism, so here's a no. Okay, and what makes a prism is same shape every cut, and what makes it not a prism is that there's no way you can make the same shape every cut. Okay, so the one that's a little bit interesting too is 4. We'll skip 3 for the second. You can do that one. But 4 is interesting. Okay? If you cut along this way, and you just cut the shape where I'm making the black lines, it's not a prism. But here they've shown you, if you cut it down that way, and cut there, and there, and there, and there, you get a prism each time, which makes it a prism. It only needs one way for the loaf of bread effect to work. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Have a go. I'll come around and give you a hand. And later, guys and girls.